Hi.
It's
been a while. I'm eating Oreos. Not the dog, the cookie.
I'm watching Slut.
Stupid. It's 2 a.m. We're still awake. We've been playing poker, eating cookies, and slapping each other. So, hi. This is to Micah and Lisa. But other people will also see it.
Shit. I thought we could see.
No.
Oh.
So, it's fun. It's fun stuff. It's all blue in here. That's okay, though. Because we're not Mexican. So, Lisa, you're here. We need to make a video. We're going to make a video. We're going to make another one after this. It's going to be cool. We're going to do something. I don't know what we're going to do yet. Micah. Oh, Micah, dearest. You never talk to me these days, so I don't even know what's happening. That's okay, though. Because, you know, whatever you're doing, I'm sure it's exciting. What are you doing, Benny?
Getting my shit.
I have a bit of a cough still. Sucks. Micah. Can we just stop the video here? Yeah.
You got this one.
Okay. Imagine things, words, and peoples and stuffs.